Washington County is being sued by an advocacy group called Arkansas Justice Reform Coalition. 5 News reporter Lauren Spencer is here now to explain why. Lauren.
Yeah, AJRC accuses the county of wanting to use federal COVID money to expand a jail. They claim Treasury regulations don't allow the funds to go towards constructing a jail facility. On top of that, the group argues that the county should be spending money on other needs.
Our last possible action that we have.
On Tuesday, Arkansas Justice Reform Coalition announced they're suing Washington County.
The community has asked over the last couple of years for other alternatives. We've resoundingly, whenever this has come to the ballot, said no to jail expansion and additional taxation to support that.
Sarah Moore, executive director for AJRC, says the county is misusing American Rescue Plan Act money. Washington County received $46 million in federal funding in response to negative economic impacts of the pandemic. But the lawsuit argues the U.S. Treasury doesn't allow a new jail to be built with the funds.
It's been pretty crystal clear since December of 2022 when there were 2 ordinances that were passed for a little over $18 million that allocated those monies to jail expansion. And so those monies have never been reassessed. From what we understand at this time from the county judge's report and from responses we've gotten from our FOIA request, the county is proceeding forward.
We reached out to Washington County Judge Patrick Deakins. While he declined to comment on the lawsuit, just the night before, he was sharing his frustration over jail overcrowding in Washington County, with so many inmates sleeping on the floor.
The state has failed to live up to its responsibilities of providing enough prison beds. So while we have 100+ inmates sleeping on the floor, we're also faced with the reality that we have 100+ state prisoners that are sitting in our jail waiting on a prison bed at the state level to open up.
He made those comments over the debate of the future of the Northwest Arkansas Community Corrections Center. Moore says the coalition wants to see that federal money spent on things like mental health services and housing instead.
I'm hopeful that the courts will look at it and will evaluate and make sure that the taxpayers get a fair shake in this.
In Washington County, covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News. In terms of when federal COVID money needs to be spent, any city, county, or state needs to report what they're going to spend it on by December 31st. And they need to spend it by December 31st, 2026. Lauren Spencer, 5 News.
Thanks, Lauren.